Poncho.
Tara, tatumbas na natin ito. This is where we stop for a quick bathroom break and to get our breakfast so we can get coffee, banh mi, and some others. So you can see here that they have already prepped up. The customer service is really fast. It's like they're rushing us to get our orders and so on. But they really did give our food and drinks quite, I don't know, this is the fastest I've ever served my food and drinks. Banh mi. Uy. Lipad. Huwag naman yung ashtray. Yan siya. Bacon with cheese. Then, ito yung malit na coffee. Magkano to? I remember. 180. Ito resibo. What? Hindi ko naintindihan to eh. So, ano to eh? Code to eh. Stop. First stop before yung start ng trip. 9:25 balik na kami sa bus. Or before 9:25. Kasi punctual daw kami. Asa daw tuto siya, kaya panindigan namin yun. Punctual na pa ako dun. American. Kumagat ko yun.
Water river, hot spring for
Bike cycling time. This is a time when I get to speak to one of our busmates or tourmates, however you call it. She's from Indonesia. I don't know her name actually. I just realized that after the end of the tour, but we ate together the lunch. I mean, we're always sitting together when we can, and during this whole bike ride, we're trying to just keep ourselves in check because we don't want to get lost or what. And yeah, she's here with her husband, I guess, for a vacation as well. It's really cute that they're also trying to share their trip here. I think this is their first time in Vietnam as well, but they went to Sapa already. Whenever I travel, I always felt that there is really a different me. I find it easier to talk to people, make small talks, make acquaintances. It's just not the usual me, but I love it. I find it amusing how we can really adapt to our environment. This has 4 chambers for 3 sons and the king. So itong entrance na to, sabi nga, parang kaya siya low and low yung arc and then mataas yung step para magbaw yung mga tao pag pumapasok. To show respect. Ito yung unicorn nila. And then the dragon, colorful snake. Unicorn nila is a combination of dog and lion.
This side, vegetarian, and the other side, non-vegetarian.
This buffet lunch is included in the day tour package, so you can consider it free, but not really because you paid for it basically. And this restaurant is owned by the travel company, the Cozy Travel, I believe. Yeah. So yeah, the food is mid. It's okay. It's not as yeah. I don't really like the variation, but I guess it's fine.
To the boating. To the boating. 2 hours. 2 hours daw. Wala pa tayong ganitong vlog. Nakaharap. Nantay pa namin sila.
Ang tagal nila.
Bagal ng mga ano yun, mumula na ako.
Bagal naman nila. Ang tagal naman. May sarili kasi silang kwentuhan.
Parang ano to, sa ano, sa Singapore na.
Ah.
Ang tawag
We're in
ano to?
Jewel.
Garden.
Ito pa.
So this is the way to the boat station, and it really feels reminiscent to the Ayala underpass. Or if you are in Makati, you would know, you would get what I am telling you. It's just that this is more decorations. It looks like a museum, but yeah, it's closed. It's the same feels, the same height, the same stairs going in every direction. So yeah, it's giving Ayala.
Parang mga mooncake. Oh, no. Sila nga hindi naman. Ito na kaan. Ah, di ba nasarapan tayo? Tapos may responsibilidad pala tayo mag...
Parang ako napapakita.
Ba yan nag-video?
Ay, sorry.
Bola ko, hindi nalagay ko. Hindi ko tatanggalin.
Ba't hindi tayo pinagsusuot ng light?
Mountain na to. Kaya na pa natin ito nakikita.
Mount Betna.
Sa unahan kami ng boat. Trang-an. Madadaanan daw kami 3 caves. Minemorize ko kayo na pala nakalimutan ko eh. Hi, ka, tsaka ba.
Ay, sorry. Kay Biyang Tahanin.
Pero hindi
Wala
natin-
tayong bariya sa ano.
Kasalanan mo yan.
Pinagbibigay ko kasi kagad yung mga
Kasalanan mo yan. Ito kasi oh.
Hindi ko
Gastos ng gastos eh. Sabing wag nang titingin sa mata ng mga tao eh.
Hindi nga matay na tinignan ko yung kuko. Puro itim-itim.
So maya na pag may mga caves. I'll check back. We're entering the first cave. I don't know what cave this is, but
This is the Kay Biyang
bakit yung
Tunnel.
bakit yung ba?
Kay Biyang Tunnel.
Kasi parang ba, tapos hi yung sunod, tapos yung ka. Doon lang yung sa ano, sa info. Pero hindi natin alam kung ito talaga yung sunod-sunod. But yes, yan, yan. First tunnel. Ano ka dyan, Pasig River? Matcha River who?
This is the Matcha River where they get the matcha powder.
Ang malaki. Hindi makatakot sa yung distance namin dito sa kabila. Mababasa tayo ng ito. Mababasa tayo konti. So, pasok tayo. may shower.
Okay, wash your hair.
Medyo stir.
Trust the paddler.
POV mo yung tayo. POV ko yung ba? Ano, nakikita ko na the light at the end of the tunnel. At the end of the cave. Okay, first cave. Done. Anong pangalan?
Ang lamlam.
Ayan, ang ganda. Oh my gosh. Ang ganda pagkalabas oh. Green na green. Ewan ko kung nag-give ng justice ng camera.
Sobrang ganda.
Parang hindi ko ma-feel sa camera. Sorry. Pero ang ganda kasi naka-envelope.
Yung kamay mo.
Ay, parang naka-envelope sa yung
Enveloping
mountains.
kita dyan, mama.
Yung green mountains.
Ay, sunod naman na.
Yan,
Yung comedy na ano.
yan yung feeling niya.
Para lang tayo nagbabike in a boat. Ay, may ano.
Medyo active tayo ngayon. We have land, water. Tapos mamaya,
Air.
air kasi hiking. Air. Lumipad. Ito, meron ditong ano to. O ano man yun.
Ang ganda.
Okay. Second cave. Indiana Jones.
Hang bang bang.
Hang bang 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 bang. Okay. Ay, mas flat yung ano nito. Mas flat. And mas longer cave. So we can see the light at the end of the cave. Pero meron silang mga nilagay na mga lights. As you can see. Yeah. Parang sa video games ko lang ito na gagawa yun. Tapos maghahanap ka ng mga, mag-load ka ng mga items. Yung matchsticks, kahit dito mo siya nakuha, gagana pa rin yun. Kahit basa. Kasi dito mo nakuha, di ba? So, yun yung mga unrealistic. Medyo malaki. Ito medyo mababa. Oo, may piscina.
Hindi yun basta-basta.
We're out. 2.5 ko para mas feel na feel. Ayan. May flowers. May mga nipahat.
Siguro.
Ang tawag dito?
Ano lang. Ano?
The third cave. Ito yung lowest yata. Not a lot of headroom. Ayoko na i-attempt. Baka maano natin. Hang yung ibig sabihin ng cave. Okay, dito. Yung pag 0.5, kitang-kita mo yung ano. This one, I think, the narrowest and lowest, smallest headroom. So parang pahirap siya ng pahirap. Ba't ganun?
Kung magaling lang ako mag-edit, ang ganda. Yan naman.
Ito daw yung Amazon and it's raining forest.
Kaya pa siya, kaya.
Swimming pool.
We don't want to...
The water is bluer than the... Oh, ano na, we're parking na. Parking?
We're parking.
Parking? Hindi pa yata. Ewan ko nandun pa kami or what. Pero nag-iiba talaga yung color ng water.
Why?
Partida pa niyan, wala pang contribution ng sky. Yung color niya. But this looks more... Ay, dito, green na siya na naman. It's green again. This tree is thirsty. Siya lang yung ano. Mukha silang broccoli. Broccoli. This one.
So we're in different ecosystem. So broccoli are grow.
We're gonna cross the bridge when we get there. So kaninang Amazon rainforest, ano to? London Bridge.
London Bridge. So we're going to cross the London Bridge. Okay.
Oh, sayang na kami. Hindi na namin kinain. Pagka strong independent.
Strong, independent. Hindi na namin kinayang maging baby.
This is...
Not so much now. Ngày quả đóng cửa xong là
Ayun na yung akin. Ah, sige na, pumunta ka na dito.
I can't drink. Tapos wala na naman mapipili. Ganun yung mixed barbecue.
Il y avait des ciseaux pour tailler la barbe. Là, je fais des coups parce que et ils l'ont confisqué parce que trop long. Hein? Si, mais je suis inscrit. En gros, je vais dans ma cour de...
Hadas. Pinagsaran na naman tayo ng mga ano. We're looking for clothing shop. Kasi wala nang damit yung isa dito. Dito lang, dito. Tawid tayo. Ay, may traffic light.
Hindi tayo pwedeng hindi ka
Hindi naman totoo yun. Hindi natin kung totoo na yung traffic light. Parang first time ko makita or nakita ng traffic light na sinusunod.
Sabi, mga sanggol tayo dyan mag-antay. Hindi yan ka.
Pharmacy. Fitness ka nga dyan. So, parang fit lang. Tofu.
Kumain ka na.
Tofu pudding.
na sila. Ay, sorry.
Tofu pudding. Iking na ito kasama ko. Hindi pwedeng pang video. May pre-ka sabi na kailangan ko pang i-edit. Ba talaga? What's your review? So this is like,
Iba yung ano.
this is taho.
Iba yung luto na.
Di ba ito rin eh, parang hindi siya exactly that. Pero malamig siya for sure.
Bakit tahutong leche lang?
No?
Tahong leche dito.
Ito kasi caramel. Hindi nga siya. Parang siyang hindi matamis na leche.
Yung sasara na
Ano yung tofu din yun?
Yun nakuha ko sa gulang.
Ang sarap. Parang mas gusto ko to. Even without itong sago.
Feeling ko ito rin mo.
Ibang ang toppings lang.
The grass one, you can go to the night market because it sells a lot. Yeah, you can search in Google because you know.
Bongga. Sit down.
Papatayin niya tayo.
May bathtub sa dito. Ano yung chika natin? Bathtub.
Kakaiba ang ating ano. Because mahal ito.
Anong 590?
590.
1, 2, or 1, 5?
590,000 pesos.
Yeah. Oh, and in total, for 2?
1 point...
180.
million.
Yeah. This is millions.
Yeah.
Kita niyo yung flower niya. 1 million yan.
Alam mo, maganda yung gantong vlog. Nakakatulog pang comedy. Okay, tapos hihiga kami. Kasi
Nirequest ko.
tropa namin yung ano, tropa.
Foods pa lang
namin-
pero nakahiga.
Tropa namin yung receptionist.
Parang natin naging tropa. Hindi natin nakwento kahapon.
Ay, okay. So, ikwento mo mamaya pag ano.
Oo, kasi lobat na to. Ay, hindi naman to lobat. Pero ang pangit ng night mode dito. So, picture na lang yung mga susunod na kabanata. Kabanata, oh.